This is a new UMIDIGI Power 7S and is priced at 57,000 naira. This device is powered by a Unisoc Tiger T310 chipset. This unit comes with a 4GB RAM and a 64GB storage. For a brand that's new to the market, let's see if it can live up to its price point. Let's go straight to the unboxing. Like every other Android phone, this smartphone comes with a charging brick, a USB-C cable, a SIM injector, and a user manual. The device, which looks rugged, and a white CPU case. Back to my review. My first thought when I saw this device was that it looked a little conservative, but at the same time, I guess it looks durable. This device features a 6.7 inches IPS display, which is 720 by 1650 pixel. It is very colorful and touch sensitive and is an LCD panel. On top of the device, you find a 3.5mm jack. On the right, you find a volume and a power button. Unfortunately, this device doesn't have a fingerprint scanner. There's also a button you can customize, but by default, it screen grabs. On the left, you find a SIM/memory card tray. On the bottom, you find a mono speaker and a USB-C port. For the camera, the Power 7S is equipped with autofocus. The front camera is 8 megapixel. The rear camera has a dual camera setup of 16 and 8 megapixel. And videos can be recorded with the main camera at 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second. Here are some pictures and videos I took. As I said earlier, the Power 7S comes with a Unisoc Tiger T310 chipset. It's an okay chipset and it's good for your day-to-day. And you can also use it to play game. I played Call of Duty. It was smooth, but it heated up a little, and the graphics were at medium frame rate. The UMIDIGI Power 7S runs Android 11 out of the box. It's a default OS from Google, and there are no bloatware. This device comes with a 4GB RAM, which is not expandable because there's no memory fusion. But it has a 64GB storage, which can be expandable with memory card. For the battery, it comes with a 6000 mAh battery and is non-removable. The device can last for 2 days without charge, and it takes 2 hours 30 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. Plus, there is smart charging feature which stops the device from charging once it's overheating. My final verdict. I think this device is cool. I think it's an okay device. I love the battery, I love the packaging, I love the charging brick, I love the cable, I love everything about it, except the camera. The camera it's horrible, I won't lie to you. Maybe with Gcam it can be better, but I don't like the camera, I don't like the design. If I would rate this phone over 10, I would give it a 7. I'll give it a 7 because of the USB-C cord, the battery, and the LCD panel. It's not all that, but it's really colorful and pictures and social media pops on it. So tell me what you think about it. Would you buy this device, or will it be something you're not looking forward to? Anyways, like, comment, don't forget to subscribe. So see you guys next time.